You don't want shadowless light. You want something with a high contrast light, like a spotlight, so that you can see imperfections in your sanding. If there's little gray dots or specks or pits, that means it's not even and you need to keep sanding. Like right in the elbow, you can see several areas that are uneven. I've left them so that I could show you. And then in your spotlight, you'll just turn your arm and the way, or your piece, the way that I'm seeing it on my side has a shadow coming across it here. And so as that shadow crawls across the surface, see this shadow here, it will reveal any pits that are still left. There's one there. There's one there. There's one there. And there. And the reason we use this extremely harsh grit is to get all of the putty, the sculpting putty, and at an even level. Then you use the second one is 120 grit to remove the scratches that the harsh one creates. And I don't know if you can see them, but they're there. And then if your scratches are going this way across the sculpting putty, then you want to sand this way. So if scratches are going this way, you want to sand this way to remove them. You don't want to go in the same direction that the scratches are going, or your sandpaper is just going to fall into the same grooves and you're not going to get them all out. This is more of a fine tuner. It can also get uneven spots and feather them out better than the harsh grit. And then finally the 220 grit, I believe is what this one is. It's really soft and it's for making the surface smooth for painting like glass. Completely smooth, no scratches, no pits, no nothing. And you could start with the 220 if you want to sand your arms off, because you're going to be sanding about 60 times longer if you start with this. So that's why I do the harsh, the medium, and the soft. The best way to ensure that all scratch marks are out is when you're using the yellow to sand in circles. And you want to apply a significant amount of pressure, and you want to sand in the direction of curves when you're going around curves or in indentations. So circles is going to give you the smoothest finish.